This is a limpkin bird in my backyard, giving himself a little bird bath. I just got done eating some freshwater oysters, or little mussels that are in the lake. He's cleaning his feathers. I'm about 10 feet behind him, getting ready to run out of battery power. These are beautiful birds here in the Central Florida area. And sometimes there's 2 to sometimes 15 or so in the backyard. If you could hear them screaming at each other, it's very, very irritating scream or squeal. We have no-see-ums down here in Florida, and they're worse than a mosquito bite, and they're biting me on the arms right now. I'm getting ready to give up on Mr. Limpkin bird. You can hear osprey in the background. There's a nice shot.